Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to this channel, please press that subscription button and become part of the family. Last guys, I said I'm gonna name drop everyone who's busy commenting, because I can only see the name of people who are busy participating when you comment. So if you like and watch, I can't see anything, but if you comment, there'll be like your name there. So we did reach 300 subscribers. I think now we are on 3 something to 400, right? Shout out to everyone who's still continuing on supporting, continuing on growing this channel. Really appreciate you. Okay, I'm gonna start at number 1 straight, like the number 1 who doesn't miss my videos, who's always on comment section, always liking. Number 1 is Sana Moretsi. Sana Moretsi, she's somebody who's always advising me. You know, she's playing a big role on this channel, you know, because there will be like some games that I'll be doing, more interviews are coming. So she's the one who's always editing my thing here and there, you know. Not on the videos, by advising me that, yo, you can put this, you can do this, you cannot do that. Yeah, so she's very positive person who keeps me going. I really appreciate you, Sisana. Then number 2, we have Tebogo Patlamutlaka, Tebza. Thanks, Tebza, for commenting, man. Thank you. I know when you do have time, you do watch my videos. So I really appreciate your comments, your likes, and your views. And then we have Sbusiso. Sbusiso, I don't know his surname, but I just know that it's Sbusiso. He's a Tonga guy. He's my little brother. Shout out to Sbu. Then we have Nomahlapo. Nomahlapo, she's one of people who are busy encouraging me, you know, to grow the channel, always shooting. When they get the chance to watch the video, they do give me heads up that, yo, I did see your videos, boom, it was nice, keep going, whatever. So shout out to Sis Noma. And then we have Emmanuel. Emmanuel is my brother from another mother as well. He always give me this heads up for future when it comes to the channel, that, yo, if ever you have to do this, you have to make sure that your contract is legit. When you do this, make sure that it doesn't fall on the wrong hands. People can take what you're building, whatever, or maybe it can cause like a clash or anything in future. So Emmanuel is very good when it comes to that. Then we have Mr. Ndo. He's my colleague. I work with this gentleman. Yeah, he does watch, he does comment as well. Thank you, Mr. Ndo. Then we have Nelisha. She's somebody who's supportive as well. When she do have time, she do watch. Shout out to Nelly. And then we have Thaiseka Stole. I only saw this comment once. I don't think they do comment more often. We have Mablasha. Mablasha is very big on TikTok. He's my little brother. I think he got like, how many followers? I don't know, but like he got a lot of followers when it comes to TikTok. He's my little brother. Like, yeah, man. Then we have Basani Perseverance. These ones, they do comment. Shout out to Basani, but these days I don't see you. Then we have 1414 family. These kids have like YouTube channel, guys, but I don't see them posting anymore. Poisons, stop being lazy and come back. They stay in the proof. Then we have Ntando Nkosi Smelani. Shout out to Ntandos. I see you there on the comments. Then we have Ben Dehale. He's one of the guys who keep me going as well. You know, the advices and whatever, saying this, saying that. So shout out to Ben, man. Away be. Then we have others who are always watching, but they don't leave, they don't comment, you know. But they're there, they're busy watching, but they don't comment at all. You know, Jay is there, Yusuf is there, Tino is there, Mohawi is there, Wameste Khungwani, they're there. So shout out to everyone, guys. I said comment, guys. So please don't be mad at me if I didn't mention your name, just because you didn't comment more often, so I can see that you're busy watching my things. And then shout out to the countries that are busy watching my channel. Shout out to Mozambique. I see we are gaining huge audience. Shout out to Zimbabwe. I can see Zimbabwe is coming along as well. Shout out to Zambia people, away. So please, guys, let's keep let's tell others to tell others, to subscribe, so we can grow this channel, guys. We have to guys, let's do these things. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers in December or before December. Even when I go, because I'm gonna go home from Johannesburg to Limpopo on December. I'll be shooting more content there, so stay tuned, guys. More content are coming. This week I'll be shooting in Alexander, if I'm not mistaken, and then yeah, man, stay tuned for more content. Away.